that later they can. All right. Anyone can please confirm, is my voice audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah. I request please keep your mics on mute throughout the session. So once I conclude my session, I will take the questions. Still, you have anything? Yeah. First, let me introduce myself so that you can understand my profile. From there, we will move into the subject part or demo part. Students, my name is Vijay Kiran. I am SAP consultant. Last 12 years, I am working in various projects, domestic and international. Currently working as a solution architect in one of the German-based company. So I'm working consultant parallelly with my passion. I am conducting the classes in SAP functional and technical. Last 10 years, I am in teaching line, and so far I completed almost 177 batches. Now the currently running batch is 178. My upcoming batch is 179. That is what I am planning to start off next. That is coming 8th June. Okay, so maybe in summary, I am working consultant. Parallelly, I am conducting the sessions to the students who wants to enter into SAP. So I really appreciate your interest to enter into SAP. I would like to take maybe 30 to 45 minutes about this demo. I will try to explain what is what in SAP, and I request the next 30 or around 30 to 40 minutes. It's really important. Try to focus and understand the things which I am explaining. Still, you have any questions? Please ask me once I conclude the session. So with this note, I am sharing my screen. I will try to put important points on the note so that it would be helpful to you. At the same time, I will share the syllabus which I'm going to cover during this SAP S4HANA MM training. So that gives a clear idea the next 3.5 months what you are going to learn. So I hope you can see my screen. Let me open. This is my current batch, students, 178 batch. Every batch, I create a folder. Let me open. The syllabus copy of this. Let it open. Meanwhile, I do one thing. It's opening. Okay. All right. I will come to this syllabus part in a while. First, let me explain very generic way what exactly this SAP training all about. I open one text document. Mm. Okay, it's a bit slow. I don't know why. Just bear with me 2-3 minutes. Let me restart this. Yeah. All right. Now I can open a text document. Okay. All right. So, students, listen. I know you are all having various backgrounds currently. Not sure which background, which student it is, but I would like to just explain the very generic way. Let's, you know, analyze right whether you are qualified with this training or not. The very first thing is, uh, this is SAP S4HANA MM Material Management Training. So SAP S4HANA Material Management Training Program is something, right? A functional training program it is. So basically, there is no coding, right? Or programming knowledge is required. I mean, no coding, no programming knowledge is required to understand or to learn this module. The very first point. The second thing is, if you are having any degree background or diploma background or engineering background, so you are eligible to learn, right, SAP course. The third point is, if you are a recently passed out student or maybe previously, maybe 1 year back or 2 years back or few years back, uh, there is no such. You should have degree in your hand without any backlogs. The reason is SAP related jobs generally you get in multinational companies, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, various IT companies are offering SAP jobs. So those companies, minimum qualification they expect any degree or engineering or any uh, you know diploma or post graduation also fine. But at the time of apply to any job, you should not have any backlogs. Maybe if any backlogs are there, if you clear, no problem. But at the time of apply, you should not have any backlogs so that you are eligible for this. And the second thing is, students, you are actually showing interest to enter into SAP. Maybe reasons could be XYZ. Maybe your friend may suggest, right, this SAP training program, or your relatives might have suggested, or your friends might have suggested SAP is good. So maybe you can plan SAP. It's a bright future, right? A great demand, right? Maybe decent salaries, on-site opportunities, IT culture, 5 days working days, many things. Maybe I don't know what is the reason behind each individual to choose this course. But I can say one thing. What I can say, SAP is a wonderful career, no doubt at all. Why I'm telling, this is not first year to me. This is not second year to me. This is my 12th year in SAP. Last 12 years, I am right working in SAP, and I am right educating and providing training to the students almost last 9 to 10 years. As a experienced consultant and a trainer, I am very happy And I trained personally thousands of people and who got jobs and settled in various companies. Personally, I know SAP is a beautiful career and a very demanding, right, ERP software currently in market. You take any organization, students, right? So, guys, maybe you are thinking that why Vijay is explaining all these things. The reason is, if you don't know the future of SAP, simply with someone's suggestion or recommendation, taking the course really doesn't work. Before starting the course, everyone should have a clear idea. Yes, if I learn this course, once you get the job, yes, I am having bright future in SAP. Maybe not 1 year, not 2 years, at least, right? Your next 10 to 20 years, it should give some guarantee to your life. That kind of course you need to choose. I am telling that SAP is more than that. So SAP is a wonderful career. All multinational companies providing jobs. So once you get job, that is your life turning point. But is that easy? Means I can say it's not impossible, and I can say it's not so easy also. Market is having competition. Market is having huge competition because everyone aware SAP is a very good career. Just like you, many people are right choosing the training right from various institutions. They are all competitors to you. But what makes you the difference? Knowledge. Knowledge. So the right knowledge only helps you, nothing else. Nothing else. If you have a right knowledge, if you know the subject in a correct direction, then you are unstoppable. No one can defeat you. In interview, definitely my student will clear the interview. So that is purely my responsibility how to train up my student to get the job. What is your responsibility? Regularity and your determination. Yes, I want to become a SAP consultant. I want to start my job in SAP. So that determination and regularly you should attend the classes. Whatever assignments I give, right, during the sessions, you must complete within that time period. So 3.5 months duration, 3.5 months every weekend classes, weekdays you are having assignments. We have a class group, regular assessment, regular right, follow-ups will be there. The 3.5 months, you just leave right yourself right. You just leave yourself right completely, or you just I can use this way. I can reframe my question. I mean sentence. You can leave you can dedicate your entire time and focus into SAP practice. The next 3.5 months, if you do this, uh, then you can see some change in your life. So what I can say, SAP is a undoubtedly right good career. You understand qualification. Market is having full demand. Same time, full competition also. So students, this SAP company, right? SAP means systems, applications, products, and data processing. These and all we discuss in the class. SAP is a software company. SAP is a product name also. German-based company. Almost 100 and plus countries SAP is having branches. SAP partner companies, many partner companies working for SAP. SAP is having functional and technical modules. The course which you are choosing, MM, is materials management, one of the functional module. This material management, previously ECC is there. Now S4HANA is the latest one. So during my classes, maybe my first, second classes, first I explain previously how the ECC was. Later I will come to the S4HANA. Means I will try to compare ECC scenarios with S4HANA scenarios so that you will come to know what is ECC part, what is S4HANA part. All right. Now, the next one is, students, now you are here. You are a SAP aspirant. Correct? You are outside of SAP. Now you want to learn SAP. You might be having domain experience. You might be working in some college, you might be working in some organization, you might be working somewhere else. Doesn't matter. I know you don't have any IT knowledge. You may not be having any SAP knowledge also. If you have SAP knowledge, why this training program? So I consider you have a zero knowledge in SAP. Don't worry, I start from zero. Means my first session is ABCD in SAP. So students, what I'm saying, you are SAP aspirant. Aspirant, not you are not a SAP right person. You are completely, you want to enter into SAP. So you should be very clear what you should be done to get into SAP job. See, I know if everything goes well, you are going to invest for this SAP training and you are going to spend your time for SAP training. Correct? These two things you are going to do. You are going to invest your money and you are going to invest your time. So end of the day, what is your expectation? Good knowledge. With that knowledge, you should clear the interview. You should enter into the SAP. End of the day, you want to get the job in SAP. So this is the ultimate your goal. SAP consultant job. Correct? SAP consultant job. This is your destination. Where are you now? You are here. You are here. You want to become this position in IT company. So between you and your dream job, here one barrier is there. What is that? Interview process. So this interview process, as you are choosing MM course, material management course. So material management is one of the demanding module in SAP. Very easy. It covers procurement and inventory. Very easy module. I cover theoretically, practically. So this particular module related questions only they will ask in the interview. Now, what I am trying to say, simply learning the course doesn't help you. You should have a clarity after this course, what is next. Correct? That is what the question, right? Question is what? uh, Course duration this much, right? Fees this much, and XYZ. If I tell, okay, that is under anyhow you should follow. But end of the day, once you complete everything, what is next means you have to prepare for the interview. You should give the interview. You should clear the interview. Then only you will get the offer letter. So you should have a clear clarity, right, about the interview process also, right, how to prepare and what are all main interview steps, and how much efforts you have to put, and the other things also you should be clear the day one only. You are not a kids, you are already matured, and you are almost everyone is graduates here. Simply blind journey doesn't work, ma. Okay. So what I am trying to say, directly if I open syllabus, these things I will discuss, I will teach means, maybe I can close this demo within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Personally, I am taking time and I am explaining all these things because my student day one itself should have a clear clarity, right, to get SAP job, what efforts you have to put and what challenges you are going to face in upcoming days. So this interview process is very much important for you. You should have a clarity also. So students, what I am saying, in SAP interview process, mainly 3 rounds will be there. How many rounds, ma? 3 rounds. The first round is technical round. Second round is project round. Third round is HR round. How many rounds? 3 rounds. First round is technical round. Second round is PR round. PR means project round. Third round is HR round. Suppose if you try as a fresher, project round is not there. Technical round, HR round will be there. Suppose if you want to show some experience in your resume and you want to try for the job means, then project round also will be there. So that is important. So what is technical round, students? This technical round, they ask about MM related questions. That is subject related questions. How much time they will take? For example, Wipro conducting interview. They are a Wipro employee or subject matter expert ask questions, right, within a material management. So my course, whatever course I designed, right? So no one will ask beyond our course syllabus. I mean, whatever right topics I am covering now, everything will be covered within our syllabus only. So for these many batches, I never heard that something out of syllabus someone asked. Maybe 1 or 2 questions may ask. That doesn't right decide your stop your success. So everything will cover during the training program. If you are regular and understand my whole classes, the entire sessions, then technical round is nothing to you. You can easily clear the technical round. It takes 30 minutes, roughly 30 to 40 minutes. So you can happily clear this one. So technical round, who will take in real time? Subject matter expert. This my subject classes will cover. So these subject classes today, whatever demo is related to technical round only. Means total subject part I will cover. There is another round, students, project round. Actually, it is optional. Whether you take it, you do not take it, that is a different story. For this, there is a separate demo will be there. In this project round, what they will ask, project related questions. Why? Because if you show some projects, definitely they will ask about the projects. No? So in real time SAP implementation project, how it will work, how one company will right transform from non-SAP environment to SAP environment. 1 year implementation project we are going to cover here, and followed by the internship also. So project round, they ask project related questions. This round is just 10 to 15 minutes only. Who will take this round? Project manager will take. But this is very difficult. So this round is something, right? Project related. This also you should pass. Once you pass this one and this one, right? Then HR round. Here just a discussion and offer letter they release. Now in front of you, you have two important challenges and barriers. What is that? Facing technical round, facing project round. Suppose you want to try as a fresher or you want to try as a user, second round is not there. I repeat, if you want to try as a end user in SAP, or if you want to try as a fresher in SAP, second round is not required. But jobs are limited, but still openings are there, you can try. Experienced jobs always more. Suppose Vijay, I have 2 years experience in some other company as a design engineer, or something quality engineer, or something accountant or teacher or lecturer or XYZ. You can show that experience in SAP and try for the job. How to convert that experience into SAP, and how to map the things and all I will take care. Don't worry. Just it is a high level idea. So subject is something, our subject, technical round. Project is something, right? Project round. So finally HR. So this is, this should be clear to everyone, students. Okay. Without knowing this, simply learning the course and spending money doesn't help you. So here, how I teach, right? My training program will be there last 7-8 years, or more than that. How I am training to the students who wants to enter into SAP. I divide training into level 1 and level 2. So L1 and L2 program. L1 where I cover subject. Now MM, subject means MM here. This training program, 3.5 months course. Okay. 3.5 months course. Fees details and all your HR will provide. 3.5 months course. Weekend classes. Weekend classes, that is Saturday and Sunday. I do not take the classes in weekday, students, because I am working consultant. I may not disclose my company, but Monday to Friday I occupied with my project activities. Saturday, Sunday I am spending time for this classes purpose. Yeah, Saturday and Sunday. Class timings are first 1 month, maybe June 8th classes will start. June 8th, that is coming on actually Sunday, I believe. 8th June is on Sunday. 8th June. First 1 month, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. First 1 month, our classes. Next month onwards, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Right? The reason is currently one batch is going on. This 178 batch. This batch currently running now. So now these and all, every topic I prepare one notes, and these notes I will explain and I will share to you. So you need not to refer any YouTubes, you need not to refer any blogs, you need not to refer any social platforms. Each and every topic I give the customized notes. In my office, what activities I do, the same activities I prepare the notes and I explain and I explain theoretically and practically, and I will share it to you immediately once class is done. So each and every topic I drafting. I mean, I am preparing the notes here. So the current batch students, we have a 40 batch, one batch 40 students. I take limited students, maybe 30 means 30, 40 means 40. I take one number, I will close the admissions. So students, this batch admissions already started. Almost admissions is going to complete. Only few seats left. Only few seats left. Only for that few seats purpose, I am taking this demo. So I don't know everyone will get admission or not. You please check with HR. If seats are available, they provide right admission to you. So what I am trying to say here, uh, level 1 is our technical round. So my level 1 training program now, which I am starting, it covers entire subject that helps you to clear the technical round. So that is I am going to start 8th June. We 3.5 months course, weekend classes, June 8th, 12, first 1 month 12 to 2, next month onwards 10 to 12. All are live sessions, no class recordings. Each and every class you will get the detailed notes. What about the second round, Vijay? Project round. Project round means L2. This L2, I take a separate demo later. So this L2 is project classes. So this L2 takes again 2.5 months. You can do parallelly, right? You can do parallelly. This fees is separate, ma. You please check with your HRs. This is again weekend only. This is again weekend only, right? And this timing is 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So students who is interested to try in SAP with experience, just understand this condition with experience. So you must have the project knowledge. This training program exclusively I cover project related things. In market, no one will cover project. It is very exclusive course to the students who wants to try as a experienced persons. No, just for idea purpose, without project knowledge, getting job with experience is difficult. That is what I am trying to say. Later point of view, Vijay, I learn SAP classes, MM, but I am trying for the jobs. But project related things and all we don't know means generally no one knows because you never worked in real time. Na? So this is very much needed if you want to try as a experienced person. If you want to try as a fresher or user jobs, this is not required. So I suggest if you have a gap, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, gap means not exactly gap. You already working in some organization, but non-SAP organization, that that gap or that experience we can show in SAP. How to show, I will help you. But this program will start in June month sometime. I will inform you once I open admissions for this. This part you please keep it aside. Now focus on the first step, that is level 1. So level 1, 3.5 months, what course I will cover, I'm going to show you here. So students, this is my training program. SAP MM sourcing and procurement. It is a right exact word of material management. Sourcing and procurement is a correct word for this. So this particular program completely I teach on S4HANA platform. HANA is the database. Top of it S4 application. So the latest S4HANA server, I am going to teach this course. So as I promised, the very first session, I start with basics. Generally, directly, I cannot jump into actual topics. So first, what is SAP? Where SAP born? How this SAP came? 1972, SAP started. From that time to right till date, how many evaluation happened, and what is the first phase of SAP? After that, how it is transformed to the ECC. Next, how it came to the right S4. So I will give a complete roadmap of SAP right from day one to till date. That gives a fair idea to you how this SAP and why SAP is having this much demand, and SAP related, right? The entire, right, basic or fundamentals I teach here. So introduction to S4HANA, and I compare with ECC to S4HANA. Previously ECC module, how SAP MM is there. Now S4HANA, how the SAP MM, the comparison. So what is GUI, how the screen looks like, what is Fiori, what is the difference between GUI and Fiori, and these are all very basics ma. And a system introduction, I open SAP system, I will explain what is presentation layer, what is application layer, what is database layer. So very clearly I explain the system architecture, and these sessions, right? SAP basics. Maybe I take two classes, 2 into 2, 4 hour sessions. That is more than enough. You will get a clear idea what is SAP. So with that right knowledge, we are starting SAP MM journey. So simply we cannot jump into SAP MM classes. First topic, second topic, third topic, syllabus completed means that definitely doesn't work for you. Correct? Let's think realistic way. So students, I am not talking as a commercial person. If I am, right, purely commercial, I will get money in a different sources. I have a many sources to get money, but teaching point of view, I will be very honest to my students. When do you get the job? I will tell that day one only. Otherwise, don't waste your money, don't waste your time. Simply spending money, you won't get job. Simply spending time, you won't get job. You should have a correct knowledge. That knowledge I will provide you if you are really committed. Otherwise, right, simply, right, magic cannot happen. Okay, thousands of people globally updating SAP classes in various institutions. Is everyone getting jobs? No. Only few people are getting job. Means some members are getting job. Who are they? Who is having the correct knowledge? They are getting job. So how do you get the correct knowledge? The right trainer is important. Right mentor is important. That mentor should have a good, right, real-time experience and teaching skills, and he should understand the student's pulse. Student's pulse. Then only, right, you will get benefit. That kind of trainers, if you get it, you are lucky and you are blessed. So whether I am correct person or not, you decide. I cannot say that this, that, and that. But my experience of last 10 years, 178 batches proved me, yes, I know something. I can, right, prepare students as per market requirement. So I am having that track record. With that experience, successfully I'm starting my 179 batch. Maybe I said, right, already admissions about to complete, only few seats purpose I am taking this demo. After this class, please reach out to your HR, maybe today or tomorrow. If seats are available, they will guide you how to get it. So let's come back to my syllabus again. So the first sessions and all I teach basics ma. The next one is B. See, I said A, B, C, D, isn't it, students? So A means basics. B onwards, your practical sessions will start. First, I start with enterprise structure. How one organization structure. For example, one organization, if you take, for example, let's take Coca-Cola company. Coca-Cola organization, where is the head office? So how many plants are there? Suppose if Coca-Cola is going for SAP implementation, so we need to construct is Coca-Cola organizational details in SAP system. So one business organization details, how we configure in SAP, theoretically, practically, I will explain. After that, SAP Material Ledger. This is S4HANA exclusive topic. Previously in ECC, it is not there. We will discuss this theoretically and practically. So now, after that, D, that is SAP S4HANA master data. We have a 5 master students. If you understand, if you observe here, master data is there, here transaction data is there. Actually, subject I divide like this: master data, transaction data, and configuration data. Each and every topic: material master, business partner, purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement. Each and every topic, you will understand what is front end, that is user activity, what is back end, that is consultant activity. So students, I am going to prepare you the next 3.5 months, not just user, not only front end, back end also. Each and every topic of front end, back end, theoretically, practically, right? You will get the complete knowledge. After that, S4HANA transaction data I will start. This S4HANA transaction data, almost how many topics we cover? First, procure to pay. Each and every topic, front end, back end, front end, back end. This is one of the very important concept. So I take a good amount of time to cover all these points. After that, second topic, I don't want to go right to detailed discussion about these topics. However, you are going to understand during the classes. But high level, what I can say, this particular syllabus start with basics and comparison of previous version and latest version, and enterprise structure, material ledger. This is user point of view, consultant point of view. I will cover master data, transaction data. Why this structure? In real time we work like this. That's why I just want to prepare you from day one onwards, keeping in real time, right, in mind. So each and every topic like this, you see how many transaction data we are going to cover. So this is a P2P cycle. This is automatic PO creation, inventory topics, logistic invoice topics, agreement topics, special procurement topics, split valuations, MRP topics, integration topics, MMFI integrations, batch determinations, price determinations, output determination, old version and new version, service management, reports, tables, what else you want. So once you right complete this course, you can give interview domestic and international. This training program I designed globally. Students, just for your information, your class is having students from India and outside India also. Already whoever got admission, Germany, Belgium, and UK, and US, we don't have this batch. So maybe one Kuwait, I think. So we have various countries, globally people are joining these classes. So this course would be helpful. You can apply within India jobs, or you want to travel outside, or you want to try outside India also, you can try. So I prepared syllabus like that. This knowledge would be helpful that extent, okay. So total training program, this entire training program theoretically and practically I cover the next 3.5 months duration, Saturday Sunday classes, and the class timings are first 1 month 12 to 2, next month onwards 10 to 12. Okay, 8th June onwards classes are live sessions. Session cannot be recorded. I don't have a permission from my office. My sessions are live sessions. Even you cannot find my any class in social platforms. This is exclusively to the students who got admission here. Okay. So if you miss any session, or if you trouble, I mean, have any concern or any, uh, you know, any challenges while practicing, we have a WhatsApp group, students. Once your admission is confirmed, you will be adding into the WhatsApp group. Even I am also part of that group. Any subject doubt or any practice problems and all, I will help you over there. If you miss any session, there is a detailed notes will be there, and I will ask any student or your classmate to support you. Now every batch the same thing is happening. They form small groups and they do group discussions and all. And for your information, we have a very good track record, almost every batch, more than 60% students are getting jobs globally, and thousands of students, but I never publicize myself, but thousands of students are getting global opportunities, and successfully they are entering to SAP. Okay, that is I cannot say that is a completely my greatness. I do my job, you do your job, right? I give my best training to you, and I give the right guidelines how to prepare and how to work out. If you follow, you will get the opportunity. If you do not follow, simply you waste your time and money. So what is important? Commitment, your determination, your dedication is very much important. The next 3.5 to 4 months is very crucial for you. If you want to enter into SAP, this is really important time, and you should have right dedicate your right this training and practice part seriously, then your life is beautiful then later. Yeah. So always love to learn the things here. So whenever you start liking or loving the subject, you will really enjoy the learning process. That only I can say. My motivation, my support always will be there. After that, after this resume preparation, interview preparation, if any openings in my company, my previous company, and students who already got jobs now in their organizations, if any openings are there, I keep helping my students all the time. Just for your for a confidence and idea purpose, I'm just sharing the last 10 days, how many students got jobs from our institution. Students, I hope you can see my WhatsApp. Actually, I need not to disclose all these things, but as you are very new, you don't know about me and about my training program and the student successes, successes and all. These and all I never post in the WhatsApp social platforms. If I post these things in social platforms, I get more than 100 students per batch, but I limit 30 40 like that, because number is not important for me, quality is important. Whoever get admission, I always try to provide my best training, and I will always try to push them into real time, from my side, with my best efforts. Okay, so you see here, last week job offers: Archana 7 lakhs package, Basavaraj 10 lakhs package, FICO, she's the L2 student. MM, I trained Basavaraj. She got job in Cognizant. Nalini, who got job in 12 lakhs, TCS Bangalore. So so it's not just a text. Every student their gratitudes in the WhatsApp group, and you see where Basavaraj, where he got the job and his offer letter he shared to me personally. You see here. Um, who is this? Ashish, FICO consultant, 10 lakhs package, his offer letter. Like that, the Arshad, he got job recently. And you see, if I open like this, it will be more visible to you. So she is Archana, and Archana Ramadasu, she got offer letter in Proven Technology, Hyderabad. Basavaraju, he got job in 10 lakhs package and Cognizant offer letter given here. Nalini, offer letter, she got job with a 12 lakhs package. Ashish, he got a second offer. He already got offer in last month. Again, second offer he got it. And his Arshad, who got job recently, 19th March, he already joined this month only. Last month he got joined. This is last month student, okay, offer letter. And Sudarshan, he got very good offer, yeah, 30 lakhs package, I believe. See, offer letter, how much looks good, offer letter, 30 lakhs package. Don't believe 30 lakhs package is not a small number, almost close to 2 lakhs per month. This guy only tried with 4 years experience. He is having 10 plus years experience domain side, but he tried with 4 years. He learned a subject and project here, and got very good job. And like this, right, Vaishali? If you allow me, you will see so many offers like this. But what I can say, these people and all didn't get simple by just attending the classes. There is a great hard work behind it. They followed the classes regularly. They attended the sessions without any see, 1 or 2 days or 2 3 days is okay, but if you continuously missing the sessions means it really impacts on your training program. So what I suggest to students, be regular. If you are seriously wants to start this journey with my guidance, under my guidance, so what I suggest you, right you should be committed for this training program, and you should be regular to this training program. Every week, whatever assignments I provide, within Monday to Friday you should complete. support always will be there. Don't worry, you are a part of my class group. My support always will be there. And once you committed or I committed, so till student get the job, right, my support will be there. So, but finally, who has to work means you should work. My role is, I used to say, right, in Bhagavad Gita, I'm just playing as a Krishna role. You should be the Arjuna. Finally, you have to fight in the interview chamber, not me. Yeah. So, but how to win, right? What weapons you needed, that I will provide you. But how to play the game, that is right, your skill. So I believe you understood the whole program. Subject L1, it is going to start 8th June. Project later it will start. That information you can get from the HR. Otherwise, I have another session, project session once I open the admissions. That time also you will come to know what exactly that program. And with these two, you will get the job as a experience. Otherwise, take the subject training. Next 3.5 months, you can start fresher jobs. Otherwise, user jobs also possible. Okay, that is up to you. Take the decision, but take the decision quickly if you want to take this batch admission. Why? Because once admission close means my next batch after 3 months. So students, every 3 months, one batch I will start. So if you are really interested, if you understand this program, please reach out to your HR, get the details, and plan accordingly. Okay. So I stop recording.